Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we show how to make a version of American Girl's tea time table and chairs. In this tutorial, we craft the table, chairs and cushion covers. Coming soon, part 2 will focus on the food treats and dishes. This is a super cute furniture set that completes our DIY American Girl Kitchen series. Be sure to check out our new Instagram at Always Dolls Official for craft updates and sneak peeks. So, let's get making! We used wooden dowels purchased from our local craft store. For each chair, you will need to cut 2 long dowels and 2 short dowels. For the seat, we used the template from our movie theatre set tutorial. You may like to pause the screen for our measurements. Trace the template onto thick 10mm foam board, then cut out. For this design, you will need to cut notches at the back corners. Flip the seat over and trace around a dowel where the front legs will go. Ours are positioned 1.5 centimeters from the front of the seat and 1 centimeter from the side. Using an X-Acto blade, partially cut into the foam board so that we can remove the first layer of card and foam. These circular wells give us a place to anchor each front leg and make the chair stronger. To match the decorative style of the AG legs, squeeze out a small blob of hot glue onto non-stick paper. Push the front and back leg pieces into the glue, letting it pool around the outside. When dry, peel off the paper. To assemble the chair, fill 1 circular well with hot glue and insert 1 front leg. Put hot glue along the notch at the back, then attach the longer dowel piece. Check on a flat surface that both legs sit flush. You need to work quickly with hot glue. Now repeat these steps for the right front and back leg. Next, trim a jumbo popsicle stick to 13 centimeters. We will use this to connect the 2 longer pieces of dowel. Draw lines of hot glue on the left and right sides as shown, then adhere at the top. To complete the backrest, cut off the rounded tips from regular popsicle sticks and connect 2 together with hot glue to make them longer. Make an X shape with our longer sticks. Mark, then cut off the excess. Use drops of hot glue to attach them to the back of the chair. Here we are repurposing our DIY seaside diner table. The leg was also made from a crafting dowel, which we inserted into the center of a thick plastic condiments bowl. The tabletop is made from a rectangle of thick foam board. Next, it's time to paint. We are reusing Rust-Oleum Satin Lagoon spray paint so it matches with our DIY oven from our recent AG kitchen build. We also spray painted long strips of poster board that were 1.5 centimeters wide. First, cover the table with wood grain contact paper, then glue the coloured strips around the edge as seen in the AG version. Now we can switch to the cushions. We use kitchen sponges for the padded insert. Just cut them to size using the same template from earlier. For fabric, we recycled an Old Navy tank top and drew a floral design with pink, teal and white puffy paint. Cut out a rectangle slightly bigger than the template. Turn the fabric and lay it good side to good side. Trace around the seat template, making sure to leave a 5mm seam allowance. For cushion ties, we are using the overlocked seams from the tank top. Fold in half and pin these ties to the curved notch of the cushion. Here we made a classic rookie error and should have placed the ties on the inside of the fabric, so we had to fix this later. Hand sew or machine sew the cushion closed, leaving a small gap so it can be turned right side out. Slip the sponge inside, then sew the gap closed. Tie your cushion to the back legs in cute bows. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and share with your friends to help our channel grow. Check back soon as we craft part 2, the tea time treats and tableware.